Hello everyone. A friend of mine recently asked if I could knit her two hats for her nieces, and she specifically wanted the hats which have the hole at the top with an elastic in for ponytails, because her niece saw the picture of them and thought they were really cute. So here's the first one that I've already knit, and I'll just show you a quick tutorial on how I did that on my Addi Express King-size. I start by knitting the rim of the hat in just a simple rib knit, and then I put these stitches onto my Addi Express. So I will take the needle off and start by moving the machine around to the black pin. That's the black pin. And then I just start by lifting the stitches off and hooking them on. And turning it. So I just do these. Each one. Those are the 46 stitches, all put onto the pins. Now I have to make sure that they stay down. You bring the string, so that's down. String come in front of the black one, this next black one, and put it through here. Make sure you close this up. If this doesn't get closed, it knocks on the pins. So now we just have to make sure that these stay down while we do the first. The first row. So that one didn't stay down. I actually bought this machine in the south of Chile where my daughter's studying. The woman had it in her yarn shop, and she said she wasn't using it much because most of the videos are in English instead of Spanish, and she works with more rustic wool, which doesn't work as well. In fact, this wool's a bit thick for this machine, I think. But for finer wools, oops, it's about to come off. For finer wools, it works much better. So since she didn't want it anymore, she said she would sell it. So now we can move a bit faster. I have a little bag I made, which I use for holding the ball of yarn so I can hang down while I'm using this machine. I've seen videos of this where they go really, really fast, but I'm not too sure how they they go so fast because I always find that stitches tend to jump or skip. It could be because of the yarn I use, because sometimes I use fatter yarns. Take the stitches off, but instead of putting them onto the tail, I put them back onto my needles. So what I do is I lift the stitch up and just stick it on my needle. Oops. I have to close that. Good to have cables. This way, if for some reason once I've got the hat off, if it looks like it's a little bit short, if I'm not quite got I need it a little bit longer, I can continue knitting. And I can also, I reduce the stitches as I get close to the hole. It's a good way to finish the crowning of a hat if you want the hat to be more, have a different finishing than instead of just pulling it tight like you do usually with the Addi Express machine. All ready to reduce the stitching a bit and make sure it's the same as mine. There we go. Look like those are pretty much the same. So now I'm going to go and finish off the hat, and I will be back when they're to show you how they turned out. So after I took the hat off the Addi Express, I knit 2 together and then knit an extra row, and then I cast off with some elastic in the middle to make it tight there. And that is how I finished off the hat. And you can see the 2 hats together, and I hope my friend enjoys them. So thank you for visiting and for watching my video on how I use my Addi Express to make hats, and I hope you enjoyed it. Ciao!